नमः श्री चैतन्य मनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूपकदा मह्यं ददाति स्वपदान्तिकम्।
नमो ओम वैष्णुपदाय कृष्ण कृष्ण पदाय भूतले भक्ति भक्ति वेदांता इति नामिनी नमस्ते सरस्वती देवी वरदामि श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री गदाधर हरे कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण हरे राम.
Okay, everybody gets to chant. Okay, first Jahnavi. Go ahead, Jahnavi. First you chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra.
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Once after Jahnavi is done, you can chant. Okay, everybody.
Hare Krishna.
Nitai Priya, 1 minute, 1 minute. Everybody is getting to chant one time. Okay.
I want to see after Janvi.
Okay, after Jahnavi, Vrinda will go. After Vrinda,
Hare Krishna Mataji, it's Tushita.
Rita, welcome. Okay, first Jahnavi. Go ahead, Jahnavi.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama
Hare Hare. Thank you, Vrinda. Nitai Priya, you can go ahead now.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Thank you, Nitai Priya. Thank you, Jahnavi. Thank you, Vrinda. Thank you, Nitai Priya. Now, Tushita will go ahead. Tushita, go ahead.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Thank you, Mataji.
Tushita, that was so cute. Thank you so much. Now, Palvit will go. Palvit, go ahead, Palvit. Palvit. Go ahead, Palvit.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ramo, Ramo, Hare Hare.
That was so nice. Krishna will feel so happy because today is Ekadasi. You know, Krishna is always giving his blessings, but he will give today double blessings. Okay, now Jahnavi.
Jahnavi already.
Other Jahnavi.
Jahnavi Dalai.
Dalai. Okay, Jahnavi Dalai, go ahead.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare.
Thank you. Now, who wants to go next? Tanvi, go. Tanvi,
Yes, I was just late.
chant Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama, Hare Hare.
Thank you. Then Rohit, chant Hare Krishna, Rohit. Are you joining for the first time? Oh, this was Subhadra. Oh, why did you came with a different name? Okay, Subhadra, go ahead and chant.
That's me.
Chant Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama, Hare Hare.
Thank you, Subhadra. That was so nice. Who is there anybody who did not get a chance? Can please sing Hare Krishna. Say your name and sing Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji, this is Risha.
Okay, Risha, go ahead.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Ribol, Risha, it was so beautiful. Thank you.
I wore this time.
Oh, good job. Good job.
I was in the other home. I attended in the other home. This was not my home.
Oh, no worries.
I know that. I attended in a different. I attended in a laptop. I was attending in my home, my mom's iPad. Now I'm attending in the laptop. Yeah, in a different. Hare Krishna Mataji, this is Shubhadra and Giridhari. I'm joining from my mom's computer.
Okay, okay. Subhadra and Giridhari, please go ahead.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Thank you, Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Subhadra and Giridhari. Thank you so much for chanting. I guess most of you all got the turn to chant Hare Krishna. I'm guessing so. Is there anybody remaining? Raise their hand. Okay, let's move to the story time. And as I already said, we are all doing Srimad Bhagavatam stories and some important stories. Today I want to do...
And then my mom is doing...
Today we are doing some nice story, okay? It is called as Touchstone. It is Sanatana Goswami's story. What happened to who came to Sanatana Goswami, we'll see, okay? Long ago in a little village in India, there was a village, okay? There lived a man named Gopi. He was a great devotee of Lord Shiva. So he was spending all of his time and everything with worship of Lord Shiva continuously, and is not doing any other work, just worshipping of Krishna. What happens? His wife named Lakshmi got angry. Can you be quiet, Vrinda, please? Okay. So she got very much angry. Hare, everybody in my neighbors are having so much of money, so much of things. I don't have anything. She got envious about neighbors. And she was thinking, oh, why I'm not having anything, no good cloth, no good food. What is this, my life? So she got so much angry about her husband. And one day, what happened, in being so angry on her husband, she told to her husband that you are good for nothing. You are waste of being here. Just please leave. So she asked him to leave the house. And this poor Gopi, he didn't say anything. And he just left. And what did she say? Come back only when you earn some money. Otherwise, don't come return. Because there is no use of you. That is what our opinion is. So let's see what happened in the story next. So Gopi was so sad. What to do? He was searching for a work. But nobody gave him work because he never had worked. So how can he get some work? He don't have any idea what to work, how to earn some money, what makes him to get some money, or how to work. He does not have any idea. So he is always worshipping of Lord Shiva, right? Lord Shiva is called as Ashitosh. Ashitosh means who gets pleased very easily. Okay, I gave what happened? I gave Tushita some chocolates and biscuits. Tushita is very happy, and immediately Tushita says, "Oh, Mataji, take this, give this one to Mataji, that one to Mataji," because Tushita is so happy. Like that, Ashutosh, Lord Shiva, is also so very happy immediately when we do little service also. But this Gopi is not doing little service; he's doing so much of service. So Lord has appeared in front of him. And then the Gopi asked, please Lord, give me the most valuable thing so that my wife is satisfied. So then Lord Shiva said, okay, go to Vrindavan, you meet a Sanatana Goswami. He will give you the most greatest value thing. So then what Gopi does? Following the Lord Shiva's order, he started going to Vrindavan. So he was thinking all the way that, oh, Sanatana Goswami should give me that, and so that I can become rich and my wife will be happy. So he's thinking all of that and he's going to Vrindavan. What happened? Gopi reached Vrindavan, and when he reached to Sanatana Goswami ashrama, first what we do when we see the elders or teachers, what we do? We offer our obeisances. So Gopi also offered his humble obeisances at lotus feet of Sanatana Goswami. So Gopi asked Maharaj, what did he ask Sanatana Goswami? He asked that Lord Shiva instructed me that you have a very great value object that can help me and make me so happy. Lord Shiva has told me that. Can you please give me? Then Sanatana Goswami replied. Look what he replied. He replied that go behind the hut. There you find lot of rubbish things, like lot of trash things and everything. Just beneath of that, it will you can find a stone that is very valuable. You can go and take it. So then, as soon as Gopi came to know that, he immediately ran out and he wanted to find that stone. What is that stone? So he went and he saw there was a lumps of trash and everything, so much of trash and very bad it is. So there he found a valuable stone, a touchstone. And then he went back to Sanatana and he told that so Sanatana Goswami offered Sanatana Goswami and his obeisances, and Sanatana Goswami replied that, my son, this is not an ordinary stone. It is very great, it has great powers. If you touch anything with this object, with this stone, if you go and touch a TV, I'm going to take that stone and going to touch this TV. TV is going to become gold. I'm going to touch Vrinda. Vrinda is going to become as gold. So whatever I touch with that touchstone, everything will become gold. So Sanatana Goswami instructed Gopi that take this stone and go. So then Gopi was super excited and he wants to go to her home, and all the way he was so excited. He wanted to show his wife the treasure. So he started his travel, and as soon as he reached, he gave it to his wife Lakshmi, and Lakshmi was so happy because that makes everything gold, right? They became very rich. Look at their house, so beautiful house they constructed. Now, by the way, they are not anymore poor, but they are rich persons. Look at them, how the dress they are wearing is so rich, opulent dresses they are wearing. Look at the jewelry that she's wearing, because everything that she touches was the gold. So she has a lot of jewelry, and house is so beautiful. They are now richest persons. So one day what happened is everything was going good. Lakshmi was so happy, but suddenly she got an idea. She got a doubt actually. What is the doubt is, how come Sanatana Goswami gave us this valuable thing to us? Nobody will give the other person such a valuable thing, right? Until and unless they have something more valuable than that. See, if I have a $10,000, so I don't give somebody $10,000 like that only, as long as I have $1 million with me. right? So that way Lakshmi had got this doubt. Maybe Sanatana Goswami has more valuable than this. Go and find it out. So she told to her husband Gopi, now you have to go to that Swami sannyasi and go and ask why did he throw this valuable stone in the trash, and what he has more than this. How can he give you this such a valuable stone to you? So poor Gopi does not know anything. He's just following his wife. So he is traveling back to Vrindavan in knowing why Sanatana Goswami has given this valuable stone to him. So now when he reached Vrindavan, he explained Sanatana Goswami that what his wife had a doubt. So then Sanatana Goswami replied that, yes, your wife is absolutely right. This stone may make you great rich, but it is no value. It is no value. That means the stone is giving you everything materially, but it does not have any value, because when we go back, what we are going to take? We are not going to take anything. So this is all material, right? So he's saying that it's no value. That means he has more than that. Now Gopi is very curious to know what is more than that, the touchstone. What is more valuable than that touchstone? Touchstone is making everything gold. Now let's see what is more valuable than this touchstone. So now Sanatana Goswami says that just first throw this touchstone into the garbage, because until and unless we are with the material attachments, material things, you all remember, I think, the story of the faith that Lakshmi Mataji has taught us. Can you be quiet, please? So what was happened that poor Lakshmi, she could easily cross over the ocean, even though she don't know any Vedic knowledge or anything. But that Brahmana could not cross the ocean, the river. Why? Because he was thinking, oh, what happens to my dhoti? Maybe my dhoti will fall. Maybe I will fall. My ring will fall into the water. What happens to my this, my that? So he's always thinking of all of his material things, his body, his clothes, and everything. So as long as we are thinking about all of this, we cannot get the taste of the divine thing that our spiritual masters are giving, or some devotees are saying us. So once we get detached to these material things, we put these things as like a garbage, then we get to know the most valuable thing in the whole material world is. Now we will see.
Hare Krishna,
what is
Hare
that?
Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna.
So when Gopi threw that, immediately Sanatana Goswami told him that the real treasure is, just now Vrinda song very nicely, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So this is a real treasure, more valuable than all the riches and all the wealth in the whole world. So Gopi heart was touched by these valuable instructions of Sanatana Goswami, and he took his instruction to the heart and he returned home as a changed person by chanting all the way. When his wife saw him, she was stuck for Gopi, glowing so much. He was touched by, he was glowing so much. Then Gopi narrated what happened to his wife. Lakshmi took all, and she also realized her mistake. What happened? The greedy, they just so much. If you want, if I give you $10, you'll say, okay, Mataji, can you give me $20? Can you give me $30? Can you give me $40? There is no end for wants. We'll always have the wants. So it's very difficult to satisfy someone. We want to satisfy ourselves is only ways chanting Hare Krishna Maha Mantra. Chanting and dancing is the only way that can make us happy in our life. So like that, this Gopi and his wife, who was very greedy, and became very happy. So now we can see that how Lord Shiva granted his pure devotee Krishna consciousness. So we saw last week only Lord Shiva's glories and Daksha cursing Lord Shiva. So Lord Shiva is Param Vaishnava. He always gives the greatest things to his pure devotees. What he gives? He gives Krishna. Like how he gifted Gopi Krishna consciousness. Like that, he gives to all of his pure devotees Krishna consciousness. So we are very grateful to Lord Shiva that giving all the people in general Krishna Bhakti. So this is a story for today, and today is Ekadasi. I request everyone, please chant Hare Krishna Maha Mantra as you all chanted now, and Krishna will feel so happy. As I already said, you will be the one of the richest person if you chant Hare Krishna Maha Mantra. That means you are possessing all the toys around the world. You are possessing everything that is there or around the world. Okay. So Krishna also will feel so happy. Our Guru Maharaj and Prabhupada, everybody will feel so happy. And today's rhyme is all about the Krishna's party. So before Mataji teaches the rhyme, I wanted to tell why did we selected this rhyme. So what did Sanatana Goswami gifted to the Gopi? That the biggest thing is chanting Hare Krishna and always spending kirtan, chanting and dancing, right? So the rhyme also teaches about chanting and dancing, kirtan party and having fun. So that is why we selected this rhyme. Moving forward to our sloka and rhyme, I would like to hand over the call to Saroja Nandini Mataji. Is Saroja Nandini Mataji on the call? Yes, she is there. Yes, Mataji, please take over, Mataji, for this sloka and rhyme.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna, everyone. Hare Krishna to all kids.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare
And I
Krishna.
know this shloka. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Yes, we'll start the shloka. For some of you, it might be revision, but we're just going to do one line today. So please repeat after me. Okay, please repeat after me, all the kids. Okay. Vasam sijirnani. Yatha vihaya. Navani grihnati. Naroparani. Vasam sijirnani. Yatha vihaya. Navani grihnati. Naroparani. Vasam sijirnani yatha vihaya. Navani grihnati naroparani. Vasam sijirnani yatha vihaya. Navani grihnati naroparani. Vasam sijirnani yatha vihaya. Navani grihnati naroparani. Okay, thank you, kids. Let's go to the translation. I think one of you can read. Who wants to read? Okay, Tanvik. Tanvik, you can go. Please read.
As a person puts new garments, giving up the old ones, the soul similar accepts the new material body, giving up the old and unless ones.
Useless. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Tanvik. I think, yeah, Janavi, you can go. Please go ahead and read.
As a person puts on new garments, giving up old ones, the soul similarly accepts new material body, giving up the old useless ones.
How do we have this one?
Okay, thank you, Janavi. So, Shubhadra, can you please explain what you understand from the shloka?
I explained I explained like if somebody has a favorite clothes and then when they wear it more and more, then it'll be worn. Then if they fit it, then it'll be nice again. Then if they wear it more and more again, then they had to get a new one.
Yeah, so when the clothes get old, we discard the old clothes and we buy new ones and wear them, right? So similarly, when the body becomes very old and useless, what happens? The soul leaves the body and goes to a different body. Okay, so the soul does not die, but it goes from one body to another. That's what is the main point here. Thank you so much, Shubhadra, for explaining. Let's move to the rhyme for today. Yeah, so this is a Krishna's party, just like any other party. Okay, so let's learn this song.
Mataji, can I try? Mataji, can I try? Can I use help from the rhyme?
Yeah, but let me first teach once. For those who are new to this rhyme, they have to learn. So please wait and repeat once or twice, and then you can do it in the break room. Okay, so please repeat after me right now.
Mataji,
Yes?
a party is like Krishna Janmashtami.
Yes, Krishna Janmashtami or any other function related to Krishna's pastimes or his devotees. Okay, so let's do this rhyme. Please repeat after me once. Okay, Krishna bells, Krishna bells, Krishna everywhere.
Krishna bells, Krishna bells, Krishna everywhere.
Oh, what fun it is to be in Krishna consciousness.
Oh,
Krishna bells, Krishna bells, Krishna everywhere.
Krishna bells, Krishna bells, Krishna everywhere.
Oh, what fun it is to be in Krishna consciousness.
Krishna consciousness.
Dashing through the day in this Kali Yuga.
Dashing through this day in Kali Yuga.
Over Maya we go, chanting all the way.
We go.
Devotees on our way, make our spirit right. Oh, what fun it is to dance in Kirtan party night.
Oh, what a fun party night.
Krishna bells, Krishna bells, Krishna everywhere.
Krishna bells, Krishna all the way.
Oh, what fun it is to be in Krishna consciousness.
Oh, fun it is to be in Krishna consciousness.
Krishna bells, Krishna bells, Krishna everywhere.
Krishna bells, Krishna everywhere.
Oh, what fun it is to be in Krishna consciousness.
Oh, what fun it is to be in Krishna consciousness. is to be in Krishna.
Cooking prasadam with lots of love.
Cooking
Prasadam
Over sins we go offering all the time.
Over sin we go offering all the time.
Prabhupada bless.
Prabhupada.
Prabhupada bless. Gurudev's our guide.
Prabhupada is blessing. Prabhupada is blessing. Gurudeva are our guiding.
Content and be happy.
Oh, what is
Krishna bells, Krishna bells, Krishna everywhere.
Krishna bells, Krishna everywhere.
Oh, what fun it is to be in Krishna consciousness.
Oh, fun is to be in Krishna consciousness. Oh,
Krishna bells,
oh,
Krishna
what
bells, Krishna everywhere.
Krishna bells, Krishna everywhere.
Oh, what fun it is to be in Krishna consciousness.
Oh, fun is to be in Krishna consciousness. Oh, fun is to
Okay, so you all did very well. You sang very well. Since this is a long rhyme, we will try to do the
Mataji, can I
so
try
everybody-
now? Can Shibhadra?
Wait for a few. You wait for a minute. By the time everybody who has to break into the break room will go, and then we can raise our hands. Please raise your
Mataji,
hand.
how do you go to the break room?
Yeah, you just need to press join, okay? I also need to go there. Just press join, okay?
But I don't know how to read. Where does the join show? Oh, it's on. Oh, I got it. I see it.
You're in the room. Yeah.
Join.
Okay, so I'm going to share my screen.
Mataji?
Yeah, I'm going to share my screen. Just give me a few seconds.
I don't know how to go to the break room.
You don't have to unless you are asked to go. So it will ask you to go. If it doesn't ask you, then you can just stay back in this room. Okay. I'm trying to share my screen. Just give me a few seconds.
Ask me about a break.
Mataji, I see kind of a red button that says LVI.
Yeah, that's different. That's just live. Okay. 1 second. Okay, share. I'm trying to share my screen. Okay, I'm trying to still figure out how to share my screen. Okay, meanwhile, is there anybody? Janavi, do you want to go ahead and say the shloka and rhyme?
What's the sloka, Mataji?
Asam Sijin.
Prasamsi janani etavaya venani asa parani tata nijanayataya.
Anyani Samyat.
Anyani samyani janayataya.
Mataji, is the Damodar class over?
No, Mataji, I'm trying to share screen.
Okay.
Mataji,
Yes.
I know how to go to I know how to do the screen. You have to go to picture and press a button, and you have to try putting it onto the green button, and then you can get the screen.
Okay, I'm trying to share my screen as such. Okay, so just say if you can see it after I press the button. Okay, can you see my screen?
No. No.
What about now?
No.
I'm so sorry, I'm trying to use a new computer and I'm trying to share. I'm so sorry. Okay, it's saying that it is sharing my screen. Can you all see?
Yes. Yes.
Can you see? Okay, go ahead. Who's the first one?
Mataji, can I go? This is Janavi.
Yes, Janavi, please go ahead. Okay, so let's go to the rhyme page. Yes.
Okay. Krishna bells, Krishna everywhere. Oh, what fun it is to be in Krishna consciousness. Krishna bells, Krishna everywhere. Oh, what fun it is to be in Krishna consciousness. Dashing through the day, Kali Yuga. Over my we go, chanting all the way. Devotees on our way, making our spiritual water find interest and light. Krishna bells, Krishna everywhere. Oh, what fun it is to be in Krishna consciousness, cooking prasadam with a lot of love. Ever since we go. Happening all the time. Prabhupada's blessing is blessing. Gurudev is guiding. Oh, what fun it is to chant, always chant and be happy. Krishna bells, Krishna everywhere. Oh, how fun it is to be in Krishna consciousness. Krishna bells, Krishna.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Janavi. Bhubi, do you want to go next? Bhubi?
Yes, but I cannot see the shloka.
How about now?
Yes. Vasma, va,
Vasamsi.
Vasamsi Jirunani Yata
Vihaya.
Vihaya Nava Gir
Granati.
Granati Naro Maro Parani. Thank you, Mataji.
Okay, do you want to do the rhyme, Bhuvi?
Yes. Krishna bells, Krishna everywhere. Oh, what fun it is to be in Krishna consciousness. Krishna bells, Krishna everywhere. Oh, what fun it is to be in Krishna consciousness. Dashing through the day in this Kali Yuga. Over Maya we go chanting all the way. Devotees on our way makes our spirits bright. Oh, what fun it is to dance in Kirtan party. Krishna bells, Krishna everywhere. Oh, what fun it is to be in Krishna consciousness. Cooking parasadam with lots of love. Over sins we go offering all the time. Prabhu is blessing, Gurudevs are guiding. Oh, what fun it is! Oh, what fun it is to always chant and be happy. Krishna bells, Krishna everywhere. Thank you, Mata.
Thank you, Bhuvi. That was so nice. Let's move to Palvit. Palvit?
I don't see sloka.
Mataji, say.
I don't see sloka, Mataji.
Yeah, you can go ahead, Palvit. Can you see now, Palvit?
Say Vasamsi,
Vasamsi,
Jirnani,
Yanani,
Yatha Vihai, Yatha Vihai,
Rata Vihai,
Navani Grahati,
Vani,
Grahanati,
Grani,
Naro
Vanu,
Parani.
Parani.
Okay. So let's move to the rhyme. Yeah, go ahead, Palvit.
Krishna bells, Krishna everywhere. Oh,
What?
oh, what fun it is to be Krishna consciousness. Krishna bells, Krishna everywhere. Oh,
What?
what fun is to be in Krishna consciousness. Dashing through this day
In this
in this
Kali Yuga.
Kali
Kali Yuga.
Yuga. Over
Many
many
we go chanting all the day.
we go chanting away.
Devotees on our way.
Devotees
On
on
our way.
our way.
Make our spiritual bright.
Make our speeches bright.
Spirits bright.
Spirits bright.
Oh, what fun.
Over fun is to dance in the Krishna party night. Krishna bells, Krishna everywhere. Oh, what fun is to be in Krishna consciousness.
Cooking prasadam.
Cooking prasadam with love.
Soft love.
Soft love.
Over sins
Over sins
we go offering
we go offering
all the time.
all the time.
Prabhupada's blessing.
Prabhupada's blessing.
Gurudevs are guiding.
Gurudev is guiding.
Gurudev are guiding.
Are guiding. Over what it is
To always
chant and be happy. Krishna bells, Krishna everywhere. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Palvit.
Yeah,
Very nice.
Mataji, to close here, Mataji.
Yeah. So we will end here with our Vaishnava Pranam mantra.
I didn't go.
Thank-
Mataji, I didn't go. One child.
Yeah, let's give a chance tomorrow, okay? For
पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः Hare Krishna. Thank you, everybody.
Mataji.